guys. So I bought something on Amazon. You guys have to guess what it is. Fidgets. Money. Whatever. I'm just gonna show you guys what's in this. By the way, my name is Leilani. I'm 10 years old. Whatever that is. Stress box. There's two. Emerge. Wait, you can make them into one. Anyways, stuck. Okay, let's see this first. Glasses. Whatever this is, it's like a cross. Wait, it's like, I don't know how to explain it. My first creation with this. A gold medal, I don't know why. Another gold medal, I don't know why. Another gold medal, I don't know why. Another gold medal, I do not know why. Another one of these. Whatever this is. Wait, this is not what I think it is. Okay, it's not just a random thing. You can do whatever you want with it. It's actually, I guess, it's a fidget spinner. See, it spins. Wait. It's actually a fidget spinner. How did I not know? Like, watch, you can see it spin right now. Wait, see? That's actually very cool. A regular one. One of these little trials. I don't even know what it's called. Another one. This is cool. Another regular one. I think this is like a puzzle you have to put it together. Another puzzle. I think you just take it apart. I don't know. Oh, I know what this is, but I'm not gonna take it apart. It's gonna get wrong. Slappy hand. Slappy hand. Slappy hand. A soccer ball fidget spinner. That is epic. Oh, this is cool. It's like a ring toss. There's two. Two stamps. A slinky. Oh, it got yeeted on me. Another slinky. Wait, I'm gonna try that again. Go with this one. Nope, didn't get yeeted. Ooh, another pink one. We got two. marble. 2 more marble pinks. And then we got the tubes. Wait. Oh man, we only have enough for 4 material fingers. Girl. My finger fell off. My nails fell off. My nails are falling off. Girl, look at these nails. So you can see my finger. Girl. You know what's cool about my new nails? They stretch back. Like, y'all. This is the purr nails. My nail broke. That was unexpected. I got stuck on my finger. Ooh. Y'all know what this is. Yeah. We got 2 of those. Ow. Those hurt my fingers. Stretch. Anyways. Now we got some of whatever this is. That's what we got. They stick together. They stick together. See? All of them stick together. Not stick. They stick together. Get it? They don't stick together. Got it? I have 5. Where's the other one? I don't know. Oh, no, I got them all. Oh, we got another one of it flew right. And literally, it flew right back inside the ball. And then the cool thing is, the last thing is, 4 fidget spinners. We got 2 money ones and 2, I don't know, star ones. This is not like a star one, but this one is. Let's see how fast they go. Number 1, pink. Okay, fast. Number 2, blue. Oh, that hurted. That hurt. Okay, that's pretty fast. Wait. I suck at this. Wait. It's kind of short, but it's a little bit fast. This one's fast. It's long too. And that is it. There's so much stuff. Like, look. So much. Anyways, now let's try to use it all. Wait, there's another thing. I don't know where it went. I'll just look for it later. Whatever this is, it's a Nerf gun. Wait, I can get my last material gun now. Just force my nail into it. See, another material gun. Let's get all my material girl nails back. Material girl nails. This is what you call material girl nails. Wait. Material girl. Material girl nails. Material girl nails. Material girl. I'm speechless. Yeah, I don't think I want to use them all. Let's try to open one of the packaged ones. Wait. I know they have feelings, but I gotta say it anyway. I know you guys are probably asking which one is my favorite. Let me just look through this. I have two favorites. I have a lot of favorites. Anyways. Putting my favorites in a pile, okay? Ow. Guess that's it. Oh wait, no. Y'all are ready to see my favorites. One of my favorites. Another one of my favorites. Another one. This is my favorite out of all my favorites. Another one of my favorites. Another one. Another one. Another one. And the last one of my favorites. Yep. Oh, let me show you my favorite. Another one of my favorites. Yeah. Sorry about the background noise. There's like a party at the neighbor's house and they're like so loud. Take a stamp, y'all. Anyways, guys, that is it for today. See you guys next time. Bye!